In that sense, it's very much about power, and power exists wherever there are people. It exists in very many different shapes and forms, on different levels, often simultaneously. What is your reflection on power and rhetoric, Lena?
We humans are very skilled, both in identifying and understanding rhetoric as well as power. We know, we see, we feel it. What I appreciate in rhetoric is that it contains concepts that you can use to identify and name these things. And rhetoric and power is related. Rhetoric in the form of persuasion can gain power, but also it's a sign of power to be allowed to communicate, to get space, to be listened to. And there is research that shows that, for example, in a meeting, if someone with high position and high status, with power, talks differently than a person with lower status and lower power. So a person with a high position and status talks longer, talks slower, lower voice, and doesn't ask questions, but direct argumentation, cannot be interrupted, but can interrupt others, while a person with low position and low power talks faster and with a higher voice and asks questions first. Is it okay if I would like to give a comment on this? Also acts differently, talk shorter and softer argumentation, if you say so.